Again.
20 minutes lang daw galing dun sa international.
Maganda yung ano niya. Nakuha niya po. Kasi dati kami sa Riga. Nabira po kami.
It's coming.
Tapos nagtatrabaho siya dito sa Pilipinas. Diyos ko, bago siya.
Kel, talk to Mati.
Kaya nung lumipat kami dito, ang saya-saya niya. Kasi
Talk to Kuya Calix.
late na pumapasok.
Dapat na sa Japan.
Talk to Kuya Calix.
Picturean mo sila, May.
Up, no pushing. It's okay.
Hira yun ang lagi.
Ay, don't put it on your mouth.
Mama ka, that's maliit.
Reaction.
No reaction.
Masiga pa si Kuya Mati ha. Slowly anak ha, don't put it on your eyes ha.
I have something.
What's this? You have scratch? What happened? You have boo-boo?
Yes.
What happened to you? Wow, you have boo-boo also. Grabe naman yung boo-boo ni Mati oh. Look at the boo-boo. Wow. Who's this? Is Mati?
Let me
This
try
is
that
Kel?
one.
Who's Nanay?
Where's Nanay? Where's your Nanay?
Let me try that one. No, it's not allowed.